This gadget is a purpose-built ceramic EDC designed for seamless transitions. It aims to give you the hygiene of a ceramic mug with the security of a high-end thermos. It is 100% leak-proof and promises zero metal taste. Let's dive into how this tool actually works. The coolest part about this product is its adaptive engineering. It actually transforms in about 1 second. When you're at your desk, you use office mode. The handle is out and the rim is open. It feels just like your favorite ceramic mug from home. It's comfortable and familiar. When it's time to move, you switch to commute mode. You snap the handle into a locked position and the lid seals tight. Now it's 100% sealed and safe to be around your electronics. This tool is engineered for the journey. Unlike those bulky, oversized tumblers that won't fit anywhere, this one features a streamlined 2.75-inch base. It's designed to fit into 99% of car cup holders. Whether you drive a compact electric car or a massive pickup truck, it stays secure. And if you're worried about moving parts, don't be. The patented snap-lock handle is reinforced with structural steel. It's been tested to survive over 5 years of daily use. It's built to last. Of course, a mug is only as good as its insulation. This gadget uses double-wall vacuum insulation. It keeps your cold brew icy for 8 hours and your latte hot for 6 hours. But the real secret sauce is the interior. This product uses a medical-grade mirror-finish ceramic bonded to the inside. This acts as a shield. It has 0 pores, so it won't hold onto the smell of yesterday's coffee. It also doesn't corrode, making it safe for acidic drinks like lemonade. Most importantly, you taste the roast, not the metal. It's 100% true flavor in every single sip. If you're tired of metallic-tasting coffee and leaky lids, this might be the upgrade you've been looking for. It's a smart, durable solution for the modern commuter. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give the video a like and share it with a fellow coffee lover. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational deep dives into the latest tech and gear. Check the link in the description to see the mug2go for yourself. Thanks for watching.